for a weekend.
Oh, look what you made me hear. But I knew you. The more that you say, the less.
In honor of the new release of Fearless Taylor's version, here are some outfits that you can wear, vibe in as you listen to Fearless over and over and over again, because you're stuck at home during quarantine because our government is the reason that we can't have nice things. I hope you got that joke. If you're a Taylor Swift fan, of course you would have gotten that joke. And there will be many more Taylor Swift jokes, puns, awkward dancing, and singing coming up your way as we explore the different albums and their outfits. Okay, so let's start at her most recent album, Evermore, which I haven't listened to completely yet, but I will, I promise. Please don't come for me.
Let's get him, Philly.
So the covers going on the album art is very neutral, very fall colors, especially in her coat. So I am wearing this cardigan that is mostly neutral colors, and I paired it with this kind of flexured yellow skirt just to keep all the tones coherent and together. And to emanate that Baguio weather feel, I am wearing these boots, and I put my hair into braids as far as it'll go, which isn't very far, just like all my hopes and dreams. This is too depressing right off the bat. Okay, so moving on to album of the year, Folklore has a very mysterious vibe to it. The colors on the album and most of the art are black and white and gray, so almost exactly like the coat she's wearing on the album cover. I'm wearing this gray plaid coat. I just realizing now, however, that the coat she's probably wearing on this cover of Folklore is the exact same coat that she's wearing on the cover of Evermore. They just made the cover of Folklore black and white, so that's why it looks gray, and technically this is the wrong color, but whatever, I like this outfit, so it's fine. Underneath this gray coat, to kind of mimic the dark and mysterious vibes of it and also the dress she's wearing on Folklore album, I'm wearing this black button-down spaghetti dress, but underneath the spaghetti dress, I'm wearing a white turtleneck because this isn't really a Folklore outfit if you're not dressed to go to a cold country. No. I put my hair into those little like braid buns in the back of my head, or at least I tried to. And I finished off this look with some black boots, and I am now ready to head into a forest and think about all the loves of my life that didn't happen and that don't exist, which is all of them. Next up, we got the super fun and bright colorful album, which is of course Lover. And I think with all the colors going on right now, I look so cute, like a rainbow with all of the colors. Baby doll, when it comes to a lover, I promise that you'll never find another like me. Hee hee. So of course, to match the colors of the album art, I'm wearing a pink turtleneck, and on top I'm layering this tie-dye t-shirt. With the combined colors of the turtleneck and the t-shirt, it really reminds me of You Need to Calm Down and Me vibes. And to tone down the colors just a bit, I tucked it into this high-waisted skirt. Lastly, I finished off this look with some butterfly clips because honestly, this album had like so much butterflies going on. And to tie everything together, I added this super expensive, super beautiful, super elegant paper ring. Cause that's right, darling, you're the one I want. What you made me do, look what you made me do. I'm real good, huh? So for this outfit, obviously I'm channeling like this sexy, evil, dark grunge vibes for Reputation. I was gonna wear some like lingerie looking stuff, but my confidence said no. So instead I'm wearing like this gray translucent long sleeves top that exposes my sexy cup A area, and I paired it with this black skirt and some black boots that are just perfect for, you know, kick another Taylor Swift off the Taylor Swift mountain. I kept my hair messy and curly like in her Look What You Made Me Do music video, and I put obviously some dark lipstick, and honestly in this outfit I feel ready to like delete all my Instagram photos, make a statement by uploading photos that are just snakes. Oh my god, is that Taylor Swift with black hair? Okay, so for 1989, I actually had no idea what I was going to wear, how I was going to dress up. So I literally just searched Taylor Swift 1989, and this is the picture that came up, and I just recreated it, plain and simple. So I got on this white tank top that she wore in the picture, and also often in concerts. I also got those big chunky shades, and the red lipstick that she loves to wear all the time. And I'm back again with the same high-waisted shorts / skirt. Lastly, I finished off this look with some silver heels, which I think is very Taylor Swift. And I know that this outfit looks kind of plain, kind of 2012, but I think this is actually the most accurate outfit as to something that Taylor Swift would wear. I even have like side part bangs. And yes, it may be plain and simple, but you know what? It's a blank space, baby. And I'll write your name. Oh yeah, red. So technically I would never wear this outfit going out unless I was back in 2012, but I am channeling that vibe from 2012 when Coachella like first started getting big. Everyone was wearing flower crowns, and technically this was the definition of hipster at the time. And I feel like in this album Taylor Swift was really channeling like her emo, Tumblr, hipster vibe. So that's what I was trying to do in this outfit. I'm wearing some black high-waisted pants similar to the ones in her I Knew You Were Trouble music video, and they're skinny jeans, which I have not worn in a long time.
Is the title of this new song by Taylor Swift.
But it looks good with this crop top that has like really Coachella vibes with these dangly thingies. And I added this throwover thing that completes that Coachella vibe. And lastly, I added this cowboy hat, something similar to what she's wearing in the cover of the album and in the 22 song. How could I forget? If it's red, you gotta have that super bright red lipstick going on. And so with this whole outfit put together, I definitely feel 22. But I actually am 22. But I'm gonna be 23 soon, but we're gonna have another birthday in quarantine because our government sucks. Yes, I do realize that this outfit is literally so much more extra than everything else in this video, but I do have an explanation for that. I could not come up with any outfit for this beautiful album, so I decided to just dress like the album. Okay, you wanna see? Let's play Spot the Difference. Go! Wrong answer, there's no difference here. But anyway, I'm wearing a purple gown that is exactly the same color as the one on the cover, and I added this little cape thing. And you know what? I think this really emulates the Speak Now album, just because this outfit makes you feel like you're in love and you wanna run down a hallway or run through a field of grass away from your lover because you got into a fight or something. But no, love lasts forever. Anyway, I added this little silver headband. In this outfit, I feel like ready to do that thing in the movies where after a perfect date, you're like dancing around your bedroom and you're in like your pajamas, and then suddenly it like overlaps and cuts to a scene when dancing in these super cute clothes. If you get what I mean. Well, 2012 Sari would have gotten what I mean. Okay, so I cannot explain how excited I was for the Fearless Taylor's version release. And to celebrate, here is my Fearless idea of what the Fearless album is emulating. And I'm wearing a cowboy hat and some boots. It's not cowboy boots, but you know, it's okay. And I got this white dress on and this white puff sleeves top on just to emulate that super like innocent girl vibes that the whole Fearless album has. And adding to that, the whole album cover is white, just like this outfit. And honestly, in this outfit, I can really imagine myself like leaning up against the wall with my books in hand and singing songs about a boy that doesn't like me back. And at the same time, I also feel ready to grab a mic. And start singing a full concert for y'all in my bedroom. Drum, lights, and I don't know how it first fearless. Last but definitely not the least, here's my outfit for Taylor Swift album. Let's not forget that this is the album that gave birth to the two songs that you listen to when one, you're super angry and feeling kind of crazy and sassy and you want to get back at the patriarchy, Picture to Burn. And second, this album gave birth to the song that you listen to when you're super sad because the boy that you love doesn't like you back, Teardrops in My Guitar. So for this outfit, I'm still sporting that brown cowboy hat, the brown boots, and I'm still wearing this white dress because Taylor Swift apparently really loves her white outfits. And the only difference with this dress and the one before it is that this dress looks more like the one on the cover, Taylor Swift the album. It's got like that full white high neck kind of thing with a low back that's like perfect for swimming because Taylor Swift is like kind of swimming on her album art. So that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and honestly this was such a fun video to film because I just played Taylor Swift over and over again and danced to the crazy songs going on in the background. And if you're a Taylor Swift fan, comment down below what your favorite outfit from this lookbook was and what your favorite Taylor Swift song is, and let's jam out to it. And lastly, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed fashion videos or overall just stupid content, please drop a like and a subscribe for new content every Friday. Bye! See you next week!